Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing software. In today's video, I will show you on how to import your media file to your Filmora video editing software. So let's see. So one of the files that you can import into your Filmora video editing software here is video and our videos, audios, and images right here. What you want to do here is to go ahead and click on import right here and then select the file folder that you want to import your file from. So I have my file folder right here. So we can easily import, like I said, we can import video file, or better still, we can import image as the case may be. So here, I'm going to go ahead and make sure I select this particular video file right here and click on open. Boom, and you have your file imported right here. You can import as many as possible file right here, and for that, click on this plus sign right here. This allows you to add another video file format. So I'm going to select this and open, and it's as simple as that. So you can import image, you can import video and audio as the case may be. It's that simple. So for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Filmora video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.